Say goodbye to the street here. Okay.
Okay, go ahead. Candy ball right now. Jump in.
Right now? No, do it with me. Okay.
Simply Michelle, simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube, and you know she got a vibe for me. She got a vibe for you.
Today I'm gonna work up a little bit of sweat. I got Eddie, he's gonna assist me. When's the last time you've been in the gym?
In the gym? A year and a half ago.
He don't work out at all. Justin said that he was getting chunky around the areas. And you know, as women, we get that little fupa. He got a little chunky chunk, a little dad bod is coming in. So we gonna work out with y'all. I think that we should start off late. Since this is our first day, we shouldn't put too much pressure, you know what I mean? I think we should do the Stairmaster and maybe the treadmill squats. What's up? Set y'all up and y'all gonna get a little inspiration, and I hope that this inspires y'all to get up and move. But you guys don't worry about it. So I'm working down the hill. What do you do? Where do you think? That's just a little time. Dad,
Look, I stepped up.
Dad didn't come to play today.
Like Dion.
Oh my God. Look what just freaking came out. Time to go. Time to freaking go. I need a doctor. My body hurts from head to toe. Not prepared. I'm never coming to the gym with Eddie again because we didn't even have a stretch. We didn't stretch. We didn't anything. We went straight into it.
Me?
It's your...
You want to come in here, you want to do all the aerobics and
How you feeling after the workout? Your body hurts?
stretching. I need to stretch.
My freaking legs are killing me. I feel like I pulled a muscle in my inner thigh for real. I need an Epsom salt bath. I need a physical therapist.
That was so
and I need a 1 hour massage on you. You paying?
On me? No, you can give me a massage. You owe me massages.
Just
Hold
worked
on,
out
what's
and you want to
going on?
smoke a vape. Put that vape away.
Cause it's hurting my.
No.
It was hurting my body.
Then what's the point
my
of
body
you?
Weary. I'm older.
What's the point of you freaking working
I'm
out?
older.
Nothing better than working out and then sitting in a nice pool of water, y'all. I'm about to get my little tan on, do a couple of laps. Are you joking? Don't stop with your little side comments. Just stop. He's a hater. I'm a fish. You don't even swim. You don't even know how to swim. How you talking about me? This man don't even know how to swim. You know, people from New York City, they don't really swim. Y'all got sprinklers and hydrants. I'm about to jump in right now because I'm suffering from heat exhaustion. And I don't know if y'all noticed, but I straightened my hair. It was only for a sponsorship, but it's about to get wet right now because it's too damn hot to be having some straight hair. Say goodbye to the straight hair. Okay.
Okay, go ahead. Candy ball right now. Jump in.
Right now? No, do it with me. I'm not doing it by myself.
All right.
from the pool and the gym, and that was such a good combo. But now I'm tired and I'm extra hungry. Something about the water makes you build up an appetite. I came back, I washed my hair, deep conditioned it. As you can see, the curls are back. Didn't want to let go of them, but it's honestly way too hot to try to be having a washing set in these Charlotte streets, okay? It's like 100 degrees. Too damn hot, you can barely breathe. But I did get scared because when I jumped in the pool, I looked at my hair and it looked like the curls were not reverting, and I was just like, no, is this really worth a sponsorship? It's never worth all of that. But by the grace of God, I just threw some Aussie in there, did a little mask, and the curls is back. So right now I'm about to go to Aldi's and get some ingredients to make a protein bowl. I need to change my diet. Like I said, my stomach has been tweaking for like the last week. That's why I really haven't been posting, because I've been feeling not my best. I've been low on energy, napping more, and just feeling like poop. And you are what you eat. And y'all know I have celiac disease. I have not been following my diet. I've literally been off the diet, not eating, just basically eating any and everything that I wanted to eat, and then I pay for it. So we're gonna cleanse, we're gonna put good things in our body. Come back, we're gonna cook, and we're gonna chill for the day. Have y'all tried pizzas from Aldi's in here? We have been obsessing over those cherry plums. I never tried these, but look how they ran through them, y'all. Get some of these. Cotton candy grapes are good. I like the autumn crisp ones too. This is butternut. This is butternut squash. What y'all think about loaded bacon cheddar chips? Interesting, right? Aldi's be having some good finds in here, I'm telling you. The Clancy's, these hit. These are super good, but I got some French onion dip, and I'm gonna get some of these to go with the dip.
Please place the card into the card reader.
All right, back home. I'm gonna do a quick little grocery haul with you guys and show you some pickups that I got from Aldi's. We got some organic strawberries. These were the best looking ones. I will literally, listen, I'm the type that I'll open up a package in a minute to see. Y'all, these have had us in the chokehold. These are the little cherries. Oh my God, these are so good, y'all. You can eat a whole bag in one sitting, literally. I got some bananas, some carrots, super sweet corn, some shredded lettuce, sweet potatoes. This is for Kashi. These are like little croissants with chocolate inside. I know I shouldn't be eating these, but it's good for breakfast, my tea or whatever. Plus it's a nice little snack. Bagels are so good. I noticed that these bagels, the brand is Lovin' Fresh, and they taste better than Thomas's. These bust, okay? Lovin' Fresh. 2 packs of the Simply Nature grass-fed ground beef. This is the meat that I've been using, and we have been loving it. The kids haven't even complained at all. I get way more out of this type of packaging than I do if I was to get ground turkey or ground beef. They have cut the meat in half. But when I get 2 packs of this, we can eat off of this for like a good 2.5 days. I also picked up this kefir plain unsweetened yogurt. It's like a probiotic drink, and Lyric is actually the one who told me about this. It's supposed to be really good for your gut health. Again, my gut health has been thrown off, so I'm just trying to implement different things that's gonna help, you know, balance like the good bacteria. I'm excited to try it. Lyric likes it. She said it's not really the best, but it makes her feel less bloated and less like stomach discomfort when she eats stuff throughout the day. Kefir or kefir, they have it in different flavors. Peach, blueberry, I think strawberry as well, but Lyric, she wanted the plain one because she feels like you get the most benefits out of it. Oats and honey granola. I make a yogurt bowl with the fruits. I also got these aloe drinks. This is the aloe, and then I wanted to try the mango one. It has the little aloe pieces at the bottom. It's a little bit like boba. Also got some raspberry lemonade. The kids love the lemonade, but I love raspberry, so we got this. Well, this was $1.65. Sour cream, light sour cream. I wanted to try to see what these queso chips are hitting for. I don't know, they look pretty good. I love queso. And then I also got my Clancy's. Plain, they taste like Lay's. I usually eat these with like French onion dip. Turkey, kabasi. And the guy in the store, I'm really cool with the staff there, so he was like, you need to try these. So I'm gonna see what these are hitting on. And yeah, would y'all believe everything that I just showed you was $33. $33. I love me some Aldi's. Then I ran to Harris Teeter to get my yogurt because I didn't really like the yogurt that they had. I love French vanilla. So I got 3 of these. They had 10 for 10. I should have just got 10, but I got 3 of those. And then I grabbed donut sticks. Got donut sticks for the kids, and also got some Entenmann's donuts that we was already eating. But I also ran to Target because I was looking for a different probiotic to help my stomach. Like I told you, I keep saying stomach in this whole freaking vlog. I decided to go with this one by the brand Seed. It's gut, whole body health, daily symbiotic, digestive health, immune, heart health, skin health, and it's dairy, gluten-free, soy-free, nuts-free, shellfish-free, all that good stuff. The gut microbiome is connected to various organs, systems, and pathways throughout the body that are essential to your health. This is formulated with 24 probiotic strains, clinically validated to support the gut microbiome. This is what it looks like. You guys are interested? I'm gonna take one right now.
No.
Cashy boy. Very aesthetic, very cutesy. I don't care how cute it is, I need it to work, okay? Your girl was down bad. Read before you see directions. Help us keep da-da-da-da. All right, let's just get to it. Take 2 with water, with or without food, which is a good thing. But I like to eat. I ate, so I'm good. As long as they ain't nobody's horse pills, we good. Because I can't stand, oh, these are horse pills. Good goddamn. I done spoke too fast. These are humongous. I'm taking 1 for now just to see how my body does. This is big. Okay, got it. Now we wait to see if it works its magic. I'm gonna give it like 30 days to see if it works. Today's a special day for our Cashy boy. Tell them what the day is.
His birthday!
Well, his half birthday. He's 6 months today. We wanted to celebrate him. Every milestone is a big one. Plus, he made it. Baby hats. Yes, very extra. Very mommy-like. Very necessary. Hopefully, he'll let us take a picture. Because I want a picture with him.
Now he has to.
He has no choice. But he's going to take it off, so we got to do it quick. Let me put your hat on. Put it behind your ear. There you go.
How does it look?
I know it over.
I look like a unicorn. Yeah, me too.
Gotta do it quick, so
I have an
you
idea.
get it on him and I'll snap.
No, I want to take it.
Look how cute this is. I had to get it. This is for you. Not yet. Guys, wait. Look, he looks drugged. He looks like he's so over it. I couldn't get it. What does it smell like?
So good. I'm gonna eat it. Can I eat it?
If you want to eat dog treats, says you better not eat it. Don't eat
It
it.
tastes good.
I know. You have your own snacks in there, boy.
Smells like
All right, give it to him. Give it to him. Come here, boy. Get your snack.
You want it?
Go ahead. Let's see what he does. That's a big piece. He should have took a smaller piece.
You can't eat it. Oh my god, he ate the whole thing.
Oh no, he's getting the frosting first.
No. I wish I was a dog.
What?
Why you want to be a dog?
Because I like being a dog. It's
Where'd you
so-
get that at?
Target. Mm-hmm.
It's made specifically for dogs.
Mm-hmm. I was gonna do the pup cup, but then I was like, we'll just do that, and then I'll make him a nice dinner. I got sweet potatoes, white rice, and grass-fed for him to be for his dinner.
Southerners
Hey
got
mom,
you.
I wish I was a
Why?
dog.
Sweet potatoes.
Don't do that.
Oh my goodness.
Don't do that.
Hey mom, I wish I was a dog because I love dogs.
Well, you don't need to be a dog. You have a
What
dog as a
else?
pet. Cleared it, look, and left no crumbs.
I mean,
My God, how cute! If that is not the cutest thing I've ever seen.
Bro, what?
this is my son Roblox.
To you, to you.
fried grilled onions. Like onion rings.
Now Sam, right here. There you go. Here, go ahead, put some seasoning on there. Just sprinkle you up.
You try now.
Yep.
He came in the kitchen.
What?
Out! Get out the kitchen!
Oh my god, he knows how to get out.
Nah, he's showing off now, because he sees that we're not paying attention.
Come here, Cash.
Oh.
I get along better with your friend. Oh, it's wrong, girl, I know.
Walking on that rain. If it ain't you, we just don't say. Do it to the bottom with the blind outside with the stage. It was just saying, with that way. Turn back if it gon' rain. Hear what you respectful, yeah. If I slide, but if I just press my hands, yeah. You been put down, but you know that nothing must be stressful. Talk the talk, but walking back it up, you just can't let go. You make me special, whoa, yeah. But you won't admit that, no matter what you do or try, we gon' get back. You know that you can't deny, baby, that's that. Let's have a night to put the ice where your wrist at. I put your feet up in the sky, so you can't back.
Simply Michelle.